All right, 3-13. So Katrina and Madeline are working on problem 312 when Madeline notices that these two expressions look almost the same except that one has two terms while the other has three. Discuss Madeline's observation with your team. Explain which expression has two terms and which has three. Terms in expressions are separated by plus and minus symbols unless the sum or difference are inside the parentheses. So they're talking about these two up here, and they're saying that one of these has two terms and one has three terms. And so the way that we can look at terms is terms are going to be separated by plus signs and minus signs. So I notice in this problem, here is a plus sign. I notice that here is a plus sign. So this breaks us up into three terms. So when I look at this, I know that this is one of the terms and this is the other term. And the reason I know that is because there's that plus sign. Plus, there's another plus sign. So here is my third term. So notice how this plus sign breaks us up into three different pieces, or in math we call them terms. Now over here, notice we have this plus sign. We're not really worried about this one inside the parentheses, just the ones outside. So here is my plus sign. So if I notice that this is broken up into two pieces, I've got this piece and then I've got this big piece. And so this is what they're talking about when it comes to terms, that a term can be separated by a plus sign or a minus sign. Notice how this has three pieces, otherwise called terms. This has two pieces, and they're always broken up by plus signs and minus signs.